Hi there, Craig here from Tier 1, and today I'd like to talk to you about a new product that we've recently brought to the market, our new tactical bipod. Now, this bipod has quite a few innovative features, and quite a few features you'll have seen on other bipods, but just brought up to another level hopefully on this one. So what we've got, standard bipod where you can just pull the legs down to engage it, very similar to a Harris bipod. There's no buttons to press. Our primary drive for making this bipod, our military users were saying they couldn't use a bipod that needed you to press a button to engage it. Apparently not a good situation when people are actually shooting at you. So that's why we went for that way. We've got spring-loaded legs here, which deploy to the full extent. The advantage of these legs is that when you deploy them, you can do it pretty much silently if you need to, when it's in position. So that's the legs. We also do a tilt only version, which this bipod is, or we do a pan and tilt version as well. You can have a pod lock on the back if you need to. Once the bipod's in position and extended, it's locked in position. So if you've got a heavy recoiling rifle, there's no way that the bipod can collapse under recoil like you do see on certain bipods. Now, another feature of this bipod, it has a quick release feature on the Picatinny attachment. So quick release, basically just a lever, but what you can do, it's actually got a locking lug in the lever. So you pull the locking lug, release it, put it in position, and then it's locked in position fully. Also, because Picatinny's have various tolerances, you can actually, it's got a hexagonal nut on the other side, so it'll fit to any, and you can actually just twist it through for a tighter or a looser Picatinny rail. So it pretty much covers all the bases there. So fitting it in the rifle couldn't really be any easier. So it's a case of fit it on there, press it, locked in position, and there you go. When you want to deploy it, down, down. When you're on the terrain, if you want, you can just deploy the legs. Again, very, very quiet. Now, also, we've actually introduced with this bipod a number of accessories. Now, the accessories range from ski feet, claw feet, and that kind of thing. Whenever you're shooting, pretty much everybody takes bullets with them. So you can actually use the bullet head to remove the foot, put on your new accessory, like I say, claw foot, spike foot, ski foot, etc., and click it straight back into place. No tools needed, other than tools which you'd already have in the field. So that's another feature there. So very lightweight, around 300 to 400 grams, depending on the model. We do them in two lengths. We do them in carbon fibre, which this one is, or we do them in plain alloy. All 7000 series alloy, all stainless steel. It's just a quality product. Now, what we also offer is a Picatinny attachment for the underside of your rifle. So we're aware that quite a lot of rifles don't come with Picatinny's built in. Most of them come with a sling swivel though. So this particular rifle did actually have two sling swivel studs on. So we've removed one sling swivel stud, we've replaced the stud with the screws that come with the Picatinny adapter, screwed it in, but we also actually offer it with two holes, so you could actually, if you're competent yourself, or you can get your local gunsmith to drill your stock and actually screw the screw back into it, and that'll make it extra secure. Now, it also has built into this a sling swivel stud adapter, so obviously you don't have to replace your sling swivel stud you've just used for this with another one. What you can do, you take your sling and it'll go straight on here. So there you go, just fit straight on, and there we go, as good as new. Just to mention as well, every aluminium surface on this is hard coat anodized 30 microns to military specification. Every component's manufactured in-house. The only things that aren't are the screws, manufactured by a customer of ours in Leeds, and the carbon fibre, which we have to buy in because we're not a carbon shop. But everything else manufactured in-house in the UK by ourselves. Complete quality control throughout.